Hello! So the first thing that we need to do to make our paper plate dinosaur is to get a paper plate. And if you don't have a paper plate, you can just use a piece of paper. First, if you do have a paper plate, you're going to cut it down the middle, just like this. To make a semicircle. If you don't have a paper plate, cut a piece of paper in the shape of this. Now that we have our body cut out for our pterodactyl, it's time to color it in and decorate it however you would like. For mine, I'm going to do blue and purple. I'm going to do a combination of these, so I'm going to do a light coloring of purple, then I'm going to do blue right on top. I'm going to do this all over my plate and come back when you're ready. With our body all colored in, we can move on to the next step. So we're going to put our body aside and grab a piece of paper. It could be a piece of construction paper or a piece of plain white paper. First, we're going to draw the pterodactyl's hands. A pterodactyl has 4 fingers and one of them being longer. So first, we're going to draw their wrists, which are similar to humans, just like that. And then we're going to give them a long thumb and then 3 shorter fingers, just like that. We're going to do the same thing for their other hand. Just like that. Now we have to draw its legs. So first, we're going to draw a pretty straight line, and they had skinny legs. So the same thing, another straight line just like that. Then we're going to give them a nice long toe, and then 2 more, just like that. So it should look like this. We're going to do 1 more of those. It sort of looks like a bird's foot. So 3. Okay. So it should look like this. Now it's time to draw the head. First thing that we're going to draw is a pterodactyl's neck. So we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming off of the edge of the paper just like this. Then we're going to draw a little half circle off of one of them. Now, coming off of that semicircle, we're going to draw a shape like this. So kind of like half of an oval. Once we have that, we're going to draw its mouth. So coming from the line that we just drew right here, we're going to continue that going down to make a similar shape just like this. And then to have the pterodactyl's mouth be open, we're going to draw that same shape right underneath it, just like that. And we're going to have it connect back to the neck, just like this. Now that we have the head, the legs, and the arms, we can cut them all out. Now that we have our hands, our head, and our feet all cut out, it's time to glue it to our body. So grab your body and a glue stick to do it. We want to make sure that the rounded edge is closer to you. First thing that we're going to glue on is the head. You're going to take your head and glue right at the bottom of the neck. Just like that. Then you're going to put it behind your plate, just like this, and press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now we're going to glue on the hands. I'm going to put the hands right at the edges of their wings, just like this. So the same thing like the head, right at the edge of it, put some glue We're going to put it right on the edge, right at the top of the corner of their wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. So glue right on the edge, put it behind your paper, and hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So it should start looking something like this. Next, we're going to put on the legs. So again, right at the edge, right on the top of their leg, we're going to put some glue. We're going to put it right behind your plate, right where you think a leg would go. Hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing with the other leg. Put some glue. Put it right behind the paper plate. Hold it again for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now it's time to decorate our dinosaur a little bit more. So I want to add an eye, and I'm going to make their mouth a little bit bigger. So I'm going to take my white crayon. I'm going to draw a big circle on the pterodactyl's face, just like this. And then I'm going to use my black crayon to make a smaller circle to finish off the eye. So it should look just like that. Then I'm going to make the smile or the mouth a little bit bigger, just like that. I'm drawing on a smile. You could add more detail to make the wings look more like wings, or you could add claws to the ends of their hands or their toes, whatever you would like. Here's my pterodactyl. I added some purple lines to emphasize the wings and a blue belly to define the body shape a little bit more. I want to see your pterodactyl, so take a picture of it and post it on Seesaw. Great work!